Welcome to the Success Channel. Get ready to receive your divine success. You can repeat after me, but make sure you are relaxed. I am full of confidence in my abilities. I say no with grace and ease. I no longer accept the negativity of others. I like and accept myself. I am at ease in social situations. I am healthy, very, very wealthy. I am a money magnet. All my needs are met. I love and believe in myself. I now live a life filled with blessings. I am creative. I feel love because I love and respect myself. I communicate my needs and in doing so, get what I want out of life. I now create a space in my life for great love. Every day I become more and more ready to give and receive unconditional love. I am successful. I am persistent and determined, and I accomplish my desires. I am independent and capable. Anything is possible for me. I attract success easily and effortlessly. I am rich. I am grateful. I am powerful. I am dedicated to achieving my business goals. I easily create new business opportunities. I am good at business. I make good decisions. My life is very successful. I am creating an amazing life. I enjoy being financially free. I easily increase my income. I am confident. I believe in myself. I will never give up. I will always stand for me. I am creative. I am talented. My name is success. I am rich. I attract wealth. I am a billionaire. Attract billionaires. I am wealthy. I am beautiful. I am financially free. Create opportunities for others. I donate large sums of money to charitable causes. I am capable. I am confident. I will never give up. I am great. I am the silencer. I'm super rich. I live an expensive life. I have what it takes to create wealth. I am the best. I create the life I want. I am strong, independent, and successful. I am creating an amazing life. I have the courage to create a successful life. I am a successful business person. I am confident and good at what I do. I have a strong business mindset. I am simply unstoppable. I am untouchable. I smell money. I smell success. I believe in me. I believe in my capabilities. I create wealth. I swim in wealth. I eat wealth. And I wake up with wealth. I will never give up because I am the best. and I am the best. I am creative and I am rich, filthy rich, wealthy, wealthy.